What's the meaning of appendectomy? Appendectomy. Appendectomy.
Appendectomy. Appendectomy. Appendectomy is a surgical procedure in which the appendix is removed from the body. The appendix is a small, finger-shaped organ that is attached to the large intestine. It has no known function and can become inflamed or infected, causing a condition called appendicitis. Appendectomy is usually performed as an emergency surgery to prevent the appendix from rupturing and causing a life-threatening infection. It can also be done in a non-emergency setting to prevent future episodes of appendicitis. After the surgery, patients may experience some pain and discomfort, but most recover fully within a few weeks.